YouTube, I'm Crystal from Crystalsewsandstuff on Instagram, and today I wanted to share with you my make for the Sew Together for Summer challenge. So this, if you haven't heard of this challenge, is run by Rocco, Sienna, Sew Sarah Smith, and Sewing in Spain on Instagram, and I'll leave a link to more information about the challenge. And this is their second year doing the challenge. The first year was to sew a shirt dress, and this year is to sew a wrap dress. And so for the challenge, you can do either a wrap dress, a traditional wrap dress where it completely wraps over, or you can do a faux wrap dress. So I went through so many patterns. I have a lot of patterns, and now that I have the Berta magazines, I have a lot of I noticed I have a lot of wrap dress patterns. But I decided for this one to start off with a knit wrap dress because it was faster to sew, and I wanted to make sure I had enough time to get it in before the deadline. So the pattern, so I decided to go and I decided to go with a faux wrap dress style, just to see if I really liked the style, and so I wouldn't have to worry about things coming loose with my first wrap dress style dress, because I have one other wrap dress that I bought from Nordstrom's Rack a couple years ago. So I do like that style, and it's a faux wrap dress. So I said, well, let me try to make a faux wrap dress for my first wrap style dress. So the pattern that I used was Simplicity 2369, and I did view B with the belt tie of view A and C. So I'll leave a clearer picture right here. So again, that's Simplicity 2369, and it is a out of print pattern, but not way out of print. You can still get it on eBay or Amazon, and I'll leave links below. And it's only like $4 if you wanted to get it off of Amazon. And let me give you a few details about the pattern. One, it's a faux wrap dress. So and it has a flap that goes over here to give you the wrap style, and it has ties on this wrap. It has a right front that wraps over the left, the front piece, and then you just tie it on the side. So it took me, and it has cute little pleats, if you can see right here. I like this pleat detail right here on the wrap. And I did the short, they're raglan style sleeves, and then it has a nice a band that goes all the way down from the front all the way over to the wrap. So I really like this dress, and I did the mid-length style because, you know, I'm shorter. So and I only had to take it up like 2 inches for my height. So it's a really nice pattern for me. So, and the fabric that I use, this is a fabric that I got from my friend Laura. She gave me a whole bunch of fabric, and I have a video coming up about featuring some of the fabrics that she gave me in May. So I'm going to insert, here's some pictures of me wearing it right here. And next I will show you the twirl. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you want to participate in the Sew Together for Summer challenge, it's still going on until June 21st, which is the first day of summer. So hopefully you can get it in and post your pics on Instagram. I'm loving seeing all the different wrap dresses out there. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.